Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about how to convert text into speech converter using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is what the overall output of our code. Here when we enter some text and then we click on listen, then the text that have entered there will be spoken out. And also we can change the voices style based upon our wish. This is what the output of our code. Before going to code, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click on bell icon. This is the code of the our output. It is index.html, script.js, and style.css. These are the files I have taken. In index.html, first I have linked our CSS file to HTML file here, and then in script.js, I have linked JavaScript file to HTML file. In the body of that, I have taken a div class hero for whole page, and I have kept a heading that is text to speech converter. Hmm. For this, I have used the default white color, and yeah, I have used it for the converter to change my color of the heading. And the text area for we have to enter the content, so I have taken the text area, and then placeholder I have written write anything. Here we can write anything what we want to speak. And I have inserted a select option and then and inserted an button. In select option there are many types of voices available there. Here in for button I have named it as a listen. When we click on listen, it should be display the. Mm, it should speak out the voice words. Hmm. For that, I have implemented style.css. This is what the style.css I have applied to that. Hmm. Uh, these are for aligning the content to the center. I have used height 100 view height, only for particular screen I have used, so I have used 100 view height with 100%, and gradient I have taken like this, mixation of mixed color. Hmm. Mixed color. I used the color of the text to white. Hmm. And dot hero h1. This is for the heading. I have used margin, font size, font height for h1 heading. And for the span tag, I used this color so that it displays the color. And the text area I have. This is what the text area height with the background color, font size, border outline, and border radius for curve borders. These are the padding and the margin, etc. For the placeholder, I used to write font size, color, margin, padding. This is what based upon our based upon our thoughts we can adjust the padding, margins, etc. This is what the for row. Display flex align items center gap should be 20 pixel. Mm, and button, this is what the buttons mm, buttons area. For button I have applied all the css functionalities, and this is for the select option. Coming to JavaScript code, this is the function we are using here. Function that is the default functionality available in JavaScript. I used a variable speech and store the object. Mm, this is for for getting different voices. We are using up to this we are using for different voices. First, we will take for the speaking. What are the text that we enter that we want to that the laptop should be speak? For that, we use it dot query selector. On clicking on button only, it should speak. So we have selected query selector as button, and event listener means clicking the functionality we should is a click functionality. On clicking it, it should be function something now. So we use it click. Inside that we used speech dot text. Speech dot text is nothing but speech. Inside the text area text we are selecting here. Hmm. Document what query selector is equal to query selector dot value. Inside the query selector value, it should speak. This is what the meaning of that line. Window dot speech synthesis dot speak of speech. This is for speaking. We are selecting the value what should be listen, what should be speak out, and this is what the speaking out functionality for different voices. We have taken a function for different voices. This is voice select is equal to document dot query select. We are applying for select option, so this is what where we have to apply. Window dot speech synthesis dot on voice change. We have to change the voice of when we select something. Hmm. To get the voice, this is what we use it. By default, it will speak the first voice available in the list. This is what that display each voices in the yeah, to get the output all the voices available in the screen. This is what the functionality we have to return to display all in the screen. Mm, to to come out the voices of different voices change voice. We use the event listener voice select dot add event listener of change is to speech dot voice is equal to voices of voice select dot value. What the value we selected, we have to speak. This is what the output. This is what the code that we used here. Once see the output, I'm selecting English India.
Hi, how are you?
This is the output of using India. If we use something Arabic,
Hi, how are you?
this is what the output. Like this, we can change and listen
هاي هاوريو
the
علامة استفهام
voices.
علامة استفهام.
Thank you, guys.